Hey everyone and welcome back. The free plan gives you 300 minutes per month, but meetings add up fast. Let me show you how to make every minute count. First, import pre-recorded audio sparingly. Each import eats minutes, so only upload what really matters. For daily meetings, use live recording instead. Second, stop recording when the important part ends. If a meeting goes off topic, pause and resume later. You control the timer. Third, use Note Taker for online meetings. It captures directly and uses minutes efficiently compared to manual recording. Fourth, after each meeting, review and edit the transcript, then export it. Deleting old transcripts does not refund minutes, but it keeps your workspace organized. Fifth, plan your month. Track your usage in settings. If you are near the limit, switch to manual notes for low priority calls. Pro tip, Zoom meetings under 30 minutes fit perfectly within one session. Use Otter for those and document longer calls with another tool. And that's it. Prioritize important meetings, use live recording and stop when done. Your 300 minutes will go much further. If you maximize your free plan, let me know your strategy in the comments. See you in the next one.